Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video from mathematics subject, pair of linear equations in two variables, topic we are going to continue. So in our previous video, we have learned about substitution method. So solving a pair of linear equations by using substitution method that we have learned already. In this video, we are going to learn about the second method of solving linear equations, that is elimination method. So that is elimination method. Suppose if we have equations like 3x plus 2y equal to 7 or 7x plus y equal to 9. Suppose if we have two equations like this, then what we have to do means we have to change the equations in such a manner that either coefficient of x or coefficient of y should be equal to one another. Actually, in the beginning, the coefficients, if they are not equal, so we have to multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constants. Both the equations are one equation to be multiplied by one non-zero constant such that any one of the coefficient will become equal, either x or y. Here we have 3x 2y. Here we have 7x only y. So this second equation can be multiplied by 2 so that it will become 7 2 times 14x, 2 into y, 2y, that equals to 2 into 9, 18. So we have first equation, there is no change in first equation, but second equation we are multiplying with 2. So we are getting a resulting equation, let's name it as 3. We are getting another third equation. If we compare the first equation and third equation, 3x, 14x, coefficients of x are different, but 2y, coefficients of y's are same. So what we can do, 3x plus 2y equal to 7, first equation, 14x plus 2y equal to 18, third equation. If we solve these two, if we subtract them, what happens? Plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. So minus 14x plus 3x minus 11x equal to 18 minus 18 plus 7 minus 11. X cancel, 11 cancel, x equal to 1. This value we will get. After finding x, if we substitute x value either in 1, 2 or 3, if in any of these equations, if we substitute the x value, we will get the y value. So in this way, by eliminating, first by making any one of the coefficient equal, then by eliminating it, we can find one variable value first, then with the help of that, we can find another variable value. Suppose if we have equations, if we have two equations such that ax plus by equal to c, a1x plus b1y equal to c, or a2x plus b2y equal to c2, first one c1, second one c2. If we have two equations like that, after multiplying with some number, if you add them or subtract them, suppose if you get a statement which is true, but no variable is present in that, but it is true, so then these two equations can have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Suppose if you add or subtract the two equations, if you get false statement with no variable, then there will be no solution. If you get, in the previous example, if you get an equation in one variable, there will be one particular solution. But if you add them or subtract them, if you get true statement without any variable, then you will be having infinitely many solutions. Or if you get false statement with no variable, then there will be no solution for the equation. Means it will be inconsistent equations. In the first case, if it is true, there will be dependent equations like this. So in elimination method, first a1x plus b1y equal to c1, or a2x plus b2y equal to c2. If you have two equations, either two equations or one equations, you have to multiply with a non-zero constant number, such that either this x coefficients will become equal or y coefficients will become equal. After that, you can eliminate one variable and you can find the value of other variable. Suppose while solving, if there is no variable and the statement is true, then you will be having infinitely many solutions. If there is no variable and the statement is false, there will be no solution for the equations. So this second method, children, elimination method. Let's try to understand with one example. Here, children, the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. The ratio of income, first person income and second person income, the ratio is 9:7. And the ratio of their expenditures, not only income, expenditures ratio also they have given, which is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees after deducting expenditure from the income, if each of them are able to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly incomes based on the ratios of incomes, ratios of expenditures and saving amount. We have to find their monthly income. So let the income of two persons be, we can assume them as 9x, 7x, and the expenditures be 4y, 3y, because incomes are different and expenditures are different. So we are taking variable x for incomes and variable y for expenditures. So then the equation formed with the given data. So 9x is the income of first person, 4y is the expenditure of second person. Income minus expenditure equal to saving, which is equal to 2000 rupees. 7x minus 3y equal to 2000 rupees. Like this, we have two equations. But in these two equations, x coefficients are different, y coefficients are different. So what we can do here, 4y, 3y is there. First equation we can multiply with 3, and second equation we can multiply with 4, because this y coefficients are there. No, one is having 4y, another one is having 3y. With their coefficient, if we do cross multiply, first equation with 3, second equation with 4, if we do like that, not only y term, all terms we have to multiply. All terms we have to multiply. So with 3 into 9x, 27x, 3 into 4y, 12y, 3 into 2000, 6000. Second equation with 4 into 7, 28x, 4 into 3y, 12y, 4 into 2000, 8000. Now, if we solve these two, if we solve these two, if we subtract them, here symbols will change. Minus, plus, minus. So symbols will change. Minus, plus, minus. Minus 28x plus 27x. So we will be getting minus x. Or if we directly remove from this, because number of coefficient of x is more here. So from this fourth equation, so first equation multiplied by 3, let us name it as third equation. Second equation multiplied by 4, let us name it as fourth equation. In fourth equation, coefficient of x is more. So let's do 4 minus 3. Fourth equation minus third equation. Let's minus all the terms. 28x minus 27x minus 12y minus 12y equals to 8,000 minus 6,000. 8,000 minus 6,000. So here plus will come, children. Minus of minus, plus will come here. So because here these two, 28x minus 27x, and next these two minus 12y minus of minus 12y, which will become minus 12y plus 12y plus 12y. Like this we can write, or directly they have written minus, they have taken common, 12y minus 12y. Like that also we can write. So this is the minus, children. Minus. Because if we take minus common, symbol will change. So 12y gets cancelled. It is 0. 28 minus 27. 28x minus 27x equal to x. 8,000 minus 6,000 equal to 2,000. So x value is 2,000. X value is 2,000. Let's substitute it in equation 1. 9 into 2,000 minus 4y equal to 2,000. So 9 into 2,000, how much? 18,000. 18,000. So 9 into 2,000, 18,000. 18,000 comes this side, means minus 18,000. So minus 4y equal to 2,000 minus 18,000, which is equal to minus 16,000. Minus minus cancel. If 4 comes downside, by 4. Which means 16,000 by 4 equal to 4,000. So y is 4,000. So y value we will get 4,000. So x we are getting 2,000, y we are getting 4,000. X and y values. So therefore, monthly incomes of 2 persons are, what are the incomes of 2 persons? 9:7. Means 9x. What is x value? 2,000. So 9 into 2,000, 18,000. 7 into 2,000, 14,000. And y value 4,000. 4:3. 4 into 4,000, 16,000. 3 into 4,000, 12,000. So incomes are 18,000, 14,000. And expenditures are 16,000, 12,000. But they have asked about incomes. So 18,000, 14,000. So in verification, if we take the ratio of them, 3 zeros gets cancelled, 2 9 times, 2 7 times, 9:7. And the ratio of expenditures, income 18,000, 14,000, 18,000, 14,000, minus savings 2,000, 2,000. So expenditures will be 16,000, 12,000, which is equal to 4:3. So the solutions are verified. Next we have third method for solving pair of linear equations in two variables. We have third method, children, which is known as cross multiplication method. The method name is cross multiplication method. Suppose if we have a pair of linear equations in standard form like this, so a1x b1 by c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So what we can do means, so here we will start with b1 b2. So b1 b2. So because here if we close this x, then we will be having b1 c1 b2 c2. So let's close x for some time and let's take other coefficients, other constants, b1 b2 c1 c2. These constants we are getting when we are closing the x term. So that's why we have to keep x here. If we close y term, then we will be having c1 c2 a1 a2. So we will write c1 c2. Already c1 c2 is there. After to that we will write a1 a2. We are getting these two constants when we are closing y term. So we will keep y here. So next, if we close constant term, then we will be having a1 a2 b1 b2. So already a1 a2 is there. We will be having b1 b2. As we are closing the constant term, instead of constant term, we have to take 1 here, because the number before the constant term, we can take it as 1 into c1, 1 into c2. So we will take 1 here. And so this starting from this group, first group, so cross multiplication. This is the first product, this is the second product. Again, from next group, this is the first product, this is the second product. Again, from next group, first product, second product. So like that, we have to write the constants. We have to write the coefficients and constants, and we have to take two products in each case, and we have to establish a relation between them. So here, children, so the arrows between the two numbers indicate that they are to be multiplied, and the second product is to be subtracted from the first product. So here they have mentioned arrow here, children, which means these two to be multiplied and these two to be multiplied, and second product to be subtracted from first product in each case. And when we have closed x term, we are getting these products. So we have to write it as x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. X by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. In the same way, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Or here, children, we can take z here. Then a1 b2 z by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So z by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the equation. So this is the relation between the variables and coefficients in cross multiplication method. So here, children, this value, this a1 b2 minus a2 b1, this denominator value will never be 0. If it is 0, this will be undefined. This does not exist. If this does not exist, because these two are equal to this one, these two also does not exist. So here we can find x and y, but the condition is this a1 b2 minus a2 b1 should not be equal to 0. Should not be equal to 0. Now children, let's try to solve this. So these two equations to be solved by cross multiplication method. So let's take 3x plus 2y plus 225 equal to 0, first equation. X plus y plus 15 equal to 0, second equation. Let's take the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. From first equation, a1 is 3, b1 is 2, c1 is 25. From second equation, a2 is 1, b2 is 1, c2 is 15. Let's take y coefficients first. 2, 1. Next constant terms, 25, 15. Next x terms, 3, 1. Next y coefficients, 2, 1. So first we have to start with y coefficients, then constants, then x coefficients, and finally again y coefficients. Starting with y coefficients, next constants, next x coefficients, next ending with y coefficients. Like that we have to take the coefficients and constants. Now we have to do the product of these two terms, which is first product of these two terms, which is second product, and we have to take their difference. We have to take the difference. So 2 into 50 means x by, we have to write x by 2 into 15, 30 minus 1 in 25, 25 equals to, so next y by 25 into 1, 25 minus 15 into 3, 45 equals to 1 by 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2, which is equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 equals to 1 by 1 equals to 1. So this is, as this is equal to 1, this value equals to 1 and this value equals to 1. So x by 5 equals to 1. So x equal to 5 and y by 25 minus 45 equals to minus 20 equals to 1. So then y equals to minus 20. X equal to 5, y equal to minus 10, minus 20. We are able to find with the help of cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Okay, children. So in today's video, we have learnt about this second method of solving pair of linear equations, that is elimination method that we have learnt, and cross multiplication method we have learnt. So remaining topics, children, we can solve in our next video. So thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can visit our website aimstoday.in for information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.